With the forecast calling for heavy rain, county and city leaders are working to prepare just in case.
With a bit of a dry spell in Boyle County, some rain would actually help, but the key word is some. Josh Short shows us how people are preparing.
My wife and I, we try to do exactly what our emergency services folks tell us needs to be done.
Tom Ellis is the Boyle County Magistrate of District 1. Like other residents, his eyes are on the forecast where flash flooding can't be ruled out. Ellis says he's ready for anything.
And that includes clearing out a closet on our first level, and in the worst case, going outside of our 200-year-old home and going underneath in the cellar, which we would be, I think, totally protected. But we're ready.
Ellis says the county has been a bit dry, and some rain would actually be good for the acres of farmland here.
I had just that morning spoken with one of our major businesses that supplies farms, and he said, at this point, we're in something of a pre-drought.
Even so, the hope is that the rain isn't heavy enough to flood roadways or farmland, especially after what the state has already been through.
I just hope it doesn't all come at once, because that can, in soil that we've got now that's kind of hardened, that could run off before it has a chance to soak in. Most of our farmers in Boyle County are fortunate enough to be either on old wells with sophisticated equipment attached to those wells, or be near one of our many, many creeks throughout the county. So they are getting prepared right now, and then virtually all of them will have some storage tanks if the conditions really go badly.
In Danville, Josh Short, Fox 56 News.
Stay weather aware on TV and online with Fox 56. Scan the QR code on your screen to download our free Fox 56 Weather Authority app.